Imagine this. You want to build a beautiful website in Framer. Normally, it takes hours of designing, writing copy, and refining every single detail. But what if an AI assistant could build a site from a single prompt, optimize your copy, audit your design, and even teach you the concept all inside Framer? That's exactly what AIFrame does. It's not just an AI. It's your personal Framer assistant. In this video, I will walk you through how AIFrame will work within real examples, and at the end, we will even create a new website together by using this AIFrame. So without making any much delay, let's get into the video. And this is the AIFrame website. So it's basically your personal AI assistant for Framer. It doesn't just generate websites. It helps you write better copy and audits your site for improvements, and also it teaches you the concept with the better resources and even lets you manage the content through the AI powered CMS. It's like having a designer, copywriter, and a mentor and a site editor all inside a Framer. And let me explain you with an example. So it's basically a plugin. After you have purchased this plugin, just search for AIFrame. Okay, at first we have the text generator. So let me just show you that you can able to replace it, rephrase it, or improve the copy. Okay, I wish to improve this particular copy, so I'm just selecting on it, and let me click on this improve. So see how it has changed. It had changed it into increase your revenue with advanced technology. So the copy is more focused on the revenue and also the conversion. So what's the benefits here is that we want to generate more revenue and also it have to be more conversional. So if we improve that, it will focus on the benefits and improve the copy based on that. If we want to rephrase it, you can give the rephrase style. So for example, let me give it as, make it more professional. So let me rephrase this. Is it has a rephrase just somewhat. Even we can replace the text. For example, I have chosen this our work process. So let me select these titles, and I need the work process titles as a step by step process, whereas the title should be more prominent. Okay, and here also we can able to adjust the length, whether it should be auto, very short, short, medium, long, or long para. Everything can be adjusted here. Let me choose up with auto for now, and let's wait for a few minutes. Okay, it's showing us define project goals and contact results something. It has changed the content. So if we want to refine, you can give the other prompt and just you can able to refine it. So this is the text generator. So without thinking too much, we can use this text generator so that we can able to improve the copy and we can able to rephrase the copy, and also we can able to replace the copy inside the Framer. Let's see about the site builder after reviewing this. Let me go to the site audit. Now let's audit the site. Here you can select any of the section of your site that you want to improve the copy. Here I am going to choose this main, that is this home page, and let me analyze the content. So this will analyze the whole content structure. Now it will evaluate the messaging clarity and it check for the conversion element. So based on all these, it will audit the entire home page and gives the best solution. So if I click on it, it's going directly here. Here I have given it as future ready text solution, but instead of that, it's recommending me so text solution that shape your future. So it's transforming the feature into more compelling benefits. So if I click on this, it will automatically changes. And the next thing is increase your revenue with advanced technology. So instead of that, it's recommending another copy. So it focuses on the customer advantage of unlocking potential rather than just increasing revenue. Okay, so just you can see how the copy is improving. And here it's going up for the pricing. Here what we have given is ideal for small teams and startups. So instead of that, it's provided another copy. So, coming to this pricing section, it uses the perfect and delivering to create a more positive emotional connection. So, just see how the copy has improved to your entire homepage. So, likewise, you can audit your entire website and make the improvement to the copies. And we have seen about the site audit. Next, let's see about the CMS editor. Okay. First, let me choose the CMS, the required CMS. I'm just going with an articles. Let me choose the AIFrame plugin. Okay. Here I'm going to use the CMS editor. Here it's showing what are all the collections available. Here I'm just choosing up with the articles. Here you can choose the mode, whether it should be an add or modify. Let me go up with the adding field. Here it's showing what are all the fields that need to be added. So whatever you want, you can choose. If you doesn't want this two thing, you can take this out. If you want, you can choose that one. And let me go to the items. You can choose how much of items need to be added. As of now, let me give it as 2. And if we want, you can give the requirements for the content. And let me use the generate AA content. So it's analyzing the collections of fields and also its content, and based on it's generating an item. See, it has added the 2 items. So these are all the 2 items. Let me get into it. As it's only aiming on the copywriting of the website, so it's not adding the image. Here you need to add the image. Okay, here it has given with the title, slug, date, options, extract, and etc. And if you want to modify any of the CMS, let me choose any of this. Let me go to the plugin. I'm going to the AIFrame plugins. Let me select the CMS editor. Here I'm going to modify the one of the item. So here I'm going to choose whatever the field that you want to modify can be chosen here. I need to change the title, the next script. Okay. Okay. Then I'm going to select the items. So let me select this item and this one. So I have chosen up with these 2 items. Okay. And I just want to give the modification request. I need the titles to be modified, which should be more conversational. Okay, let me modify the AA content. So it's analyzing the collection fields and it's generating the AA content. Okay, it has so the titles have been updated. So likewise, you can use the CMS editor. So it's useful for generating and modify AI powered content for the CMS collection, which is inside your project. So the next one is teacher. So this teacher is, if you are asking any of the questions about the framer, you will get the relevant video courses that will help you. Let me ask some of my questions. I want to know about the components in Framer. So let me ask these questions. So it's analyzing my questions. So based on the question, it has suggested the video. So let me click on it. So it's showing me the appropriate videos just is related to my question. So I have asked about the components. So it just suggests me the intro to components in Framer. So likewise, while creating a website, you can use of this AIFrame plugin for generating the content and generating the CMS items and modifying the content. Even you can ask for some of the videos for learning. So I think it's a very good plugin. It's like having an AI assistant inside the framework. Okay, so now we are in a new project. Here I'm going to use the AIFrame. Let's check how it's working. I'm just using this AIFrame plugin. Let me use the site builder. Here I have used the prompt, that is create a model landing page for a fitness app with clean typography and energetic feel. Here you can see the option of reattach textiles. If you have the textiles inside a project, you can use the reattach textiles. As it is a new one, so I'm just deselecting this. So if we already have the textiles here, then it will automatically align this particular styles to the the corresponding titles and the paragraph. Okay, as we doesn't have, so I'm just deselecting this, and also it's showing me a select a canvas or a frame, so I'm just selecting this a desktop, and let me generate it. Let's check how it's working. And also this AIFrame site builder is not just like the wireframer in the framer, is actually concentrating on the copy of the website, which should be conversional. So some of the layout will be taken from the segment UI, and also if needed, it will take the code component from the segment UI, and based on it, it will create the perfect layout. So let's check how it's generating. So it's almost there. Let's wait for a few seconds. So just see, it's starting up from the navigation, hero section, and also some of the logos, some text. Yeah, it's looking great. Nice. Great. From hero section, it has created the entire site, that is the entire homepage, along with the responsiveness. Let's preview this. As it is a desktop, let me go to the tablet view. Here it has used the bendo grid, even it has aligned perfectly in the tablet breakpoint. Let me go to the phone. It looks nice. Now let's change the images on it. So for that, I'm going to here and let me use the plugin. You can use some of the plugin, and let's change the images, some of the tweaks to all over this homepage. Now see how, now see within some of the few minutes we have changed the colors, and also we have changed the image, and now it's looking a perfectly very neat website. Let me check on the preview. It's looking great. It's looking nice within few minutes, and also the copy also have been improved. You can do the tweaks to all this copy by using the AIFrame plugin that we have already seen about the improve option. So by just using this, you can even more do the changes to the copy, and also you can do the audits to this entire site. And not only from the prompt, we even can able to create the website from the URL. And let me create a new page. Here I am just choosing up with the desktop, and let me add the tablet breakpoint and also the phone breakpoint, and let me choose up with the desktop. Let me reattach the text tag. Let me generate from the URL. It won't create the exact website, it just understands the content and the copy inside that particular website, and based on it, it will regenerate and give the appropriate content that is required for this website. And as I said, it will take the some of the sections from the segment UI, and also if in cases if it needed, it will use some of the code component from the segment UI also. Just see here, it's creating a website which is provided from the URL. So it's not entirely creating that website, it just analyze the content, that is the copy inside that particular website. So and based on the content, it's creating a new copy from it. So just see, introducing iPhone app, easy steps to get started with your iPhone app. So even from the URL, you can generate the website and redesign it. So I hope you have really understand what the usage of this AIFrame. So it can be used to generate the site. It is used to generate the text, and it can be used to audit the site. Even it's used for the CMS editor. Even it can be used for the course search. So in this video, you have seen what AIFrame does in action. It generates full site and help you write the better copy, audits your work for improvements, teaches you concept and simplifies the CMS management. It's basically all-in-one AI assistant for Framer that saves you time, money and stress. And don't forget, if you want to try it out, use my code for an exclusive discount, which I will provide in the description below. Once you start building with AIFrame, you don't want to go back doing it in the harder way. If you enjoyed this video, please like this one and share it with your fellow designer. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.